Hello YouTubers, how are you? We got a new product for you today. It's the Philips D2S, the generation 2 of XTREME Vision. This one has 150% more than your regular lamps. So for your original xenon, I'm very curious because in my car I mounted the Coolblue Intense from Osram. So even the producer says it's 20% more light. This is not true, only the color is different because, you know, in regular bulbs the Kelvin is 4300 and in the Osram Coolblue Intense is 5500 Kelvin. So this new Philips promises more light even, and I'm curious if I will obtain double the light of a conventional or a regular lamp. I talked with the official distributor of these lamps and it told me that the lamps will hold between 1000 hours and 1500. So this aspect I don't know if it's real. Please comment and make your opinion, because I know these regular bulbs or original or even Osram are more than 1500 hours of working. So I'm curious if these lamps are forced to give this light. So, you know, when you force any object on this earth, it will last shorter than usual. Well guys, the Philips xenon bulbs, the two lamps, came into this box, and I'm gonna show you how to avoid a fraud, because they have a sealed, if you see here it says new Philips counterfeit protection label inside, and I just unsealed it. It has a made in Germany logo. It has two seals, one here and this big white seal. So now here are the XTREME lamps from Philips, and as a precaution measure, if you want to be sure that these lamps are 100% genuine, you have here a code. And with these two codes, you have a ID code here. Let's just focalize a little bit. Okay, we have an ID and a code below the Philips logo, the hologram logo. And these two codes, you got to insert them on the Philips website, and it will tell you if it's the original product. So these lamps, I hope, will give 150% more vision than a standard bulb. For my example, I have now in my car Coolblue Intense. This lamp, Osram says it gives up to 20%, but you know, I gotta be honest with you, in the standard and in Coolblue Intense, if you see here, the distance is not it's equal with a standard bulb. So in the light color you will gain some distance. I don't know if it is distance because it's whiter than a regular bulb. This one has 5500 Kelvin and standard bulb 4300, and this one has 4800 Kelvin. So it's in the middle between a normal bulb and Coolblue Intense. But I'm not interested for the color of the light, I'm interested for the distance, because Philips invented the xenon HID, the high intensity discharge bulbs. As more light you have, it's more probably to see the object, to see the animals, to see the obstacles and the dangers in front of your car. So I'm interested for my family, for the safety of my car, for my Audi. So I want to change these lights. So the Philips car lamps are made with high quality quartz glass. This means, and don't put your hand while you're changing the bulb, This means that the bulbs are made with the most stronger glass. It's stronger even than the hard glass, and it's highly resistant to extreme temperatures and vibrations, which eliminates the risk of explosion. This middle is very cleared. I want to show you the difference is that in used bulbs you can see that coating right in the middle, and here in the new Philips you can see that it has some small dots, but it doesn't have a coating. It's some kind of residual materials, but it's new. It doesn't have a coating like in used bulbs. So Philips advertised these lamps by directing the light to the right spot in front of your car. It has a precision with arc bending technology, allowing between 115 and 315 UM. I don't know what this is, but it says this means that they illuminate the road just where you need it, without dazzling outcoming drivers. So this is a nice and good thing because it's measured, it respects standards, as the price of these lamps are between $80 and $100. Are a new model. I don't know if the year is 2016, but are new, and I'm very curious how my light will improve. And will block the aperture, the timing exposure, and the ISO for seeing the light without the camera compensating for a weaker light, you know. Okay, and now let's cut to the chase. Let's mount these Philips lights and see the difference comparing to the Osram Coolblue Intense. I'm referring strictly to the power of the light and not the color. So I will not have this nice 5500 kelvins. This is daylight temperature, color temperature, you know. I will not have this, but I will have more light. So guys, I hope you notice the difference between the Philips, the second generation, which I don't know if it's 115% more, but they offer a lot. The color of the headlight is changed now, it's a bit warmer. So guys, subscribe that button and like this video. Have a great day, see you guys, bye.